This is the West Beach in Dubai. It's doing a night walk here. It's next to our hotel. It's got lots of light decorations here. Quite nice. Feel like a water fountain show here. We don't even need to go to Dubai Mall. We can actually get close by as well. Unfortunately, no one is really watching apart from us and this family right there. I have a feeling that's what we're seeing tomorrow. And that Ferris wheel behind is having some interesting lighting pattern as well. Just realized this water fountain show is just in front of the Dubai city. It's such a shame no one is actually even watching it. It's actually pretty cool here in Dubai. Definitely I wouldn't consider it as being even warm at night time. I actually have a light jacket on. So don't be fooled by thinking Dubai is always hot. There is another water show here, and I like the name of this